All right, excuse the mess, but this is what I'm doing today for uh, a guy that messaged me that needed some help. So he bought the Street to OHV kit, didn't end up working right, and a lot of stuff was wrong with it. So basically, I'm just sending him everything that he doesn't already have that to make his kit work. I'm sending him a new bar switch, blinkers, and all the connectors that he's going to need to hook up to his existing tail light, because he actually bought the same tail lights I use. And then this is for his headlights. These two wires are the only ones that he's going to really have to solder on the actual kit. This is for the banjo bolt. It does not matter which way you solder these. It's gonna work the same way either way. So just connect both of these wires to the banjo bolt using those. And then as far as the tail light goes, as you can see, all the colors match up except for the blue. So you're gonna need to hook the blue to the white, and then your tail light will work correctly. And I already have the tail light wired up for you right here. And I'm gonna send you the extender to go from here all the way to the back of the bike, which will then connect to this, and that will be your tail light. And this is for your headlights, but pretty straightforward and easy. Just make sure that you test everything before you put it on the bike. I cannot stress that enough. Make sure that you test it before you put it on. That'll make your life a lot easier if you have to change anything. But that's about it. Now maybe I can get back to working on this guy that I just got. Should be pretty exciting. More information to come on that guy.